Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Roland JU-06A is probably one of the most sought-after boutique synths on the market, and for good reason, as it masterfully recreates the iconic sound and workflow of the legendary Roland Juno-60 and Juno-106, offering a compact yet powerful package that brings vintage analog warmth and character to your modern productions with its intuitive interface and lush, chorus-laden tones, making it an indispensable tool for any electronic music producer looking to capture that classic 80s vibe. Number 5. Roland JU-08 Rhythm Composer. Introducing the Roland JU-08 Rhythm Composer. It's an ultra-compact recreation of the legendary TR-808 drum machine, bringing its iconic sound and character to a new generation. We've meticulously retained the original sound, character, and user interface of the TR-808. You'll experience the authentic feel and workflow that made the original a classic. Enjoy hands-on control over essential parameters like tone, level, tuning, and decay. Shape your sounds with precision and immediacy, just like the original. For even greater sonic flexibility, we've added new controls. You can now adjust the compressor, gain, tune, and pan for selected instruments, expanding your creative possibilities. Programming your rhythms is intuitive and inspiring. Utilize the classic step and tap right modes to easily create your beats and grooves. This powerful tool offers the essence of the iconic 808 in a portable package. It's ready to inspire your next musical creation. What we like. This is a faithful recreation of a legendary drum machine. It retains the original's iconic sound and user interface. If you are looking for that classic 808 vibe in a portable package, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound quality on this is really amazing, and all the ways you have to tweak your patterns makes this a real treat to play live. The built-in models of all the classic Roland machines sound really incredible. This device is easy to use, very easy to tweak live, easy to get tons of variations either automated or done live, and it sounds really phenomenal. Number 4. Novation Circuit Tracks Groovebox. Unleash your creativity and make limitless music with this powerful Groovebox. It offers 2 synth tracks, 2 MIDI tracks, and 4 drum tracks for expansive sound design. Perform with incredible expressiveness thanks to velocity-sensitive pads and tactile control. Customize patches to perfectly match your unique sound. Create intricate 32-step patterns that can be chained for up to 256 steps per track. Go off-grid with micro-timing and keep your music evolving with probability and pattern mutation. Expand your sonic capabilities with 2 refined polyphonic digital synth tracks. Start creating with pre-made artist samples or load your own for a personalized experience. Pilot your entire studio with 2 dedicated MIDI tracks, sending notes and CC automation. Control external hardware with full-size MIDI connections and analog sync out. Let your creativity thrive with intuitive controls, dedicated buttons, and encoders. Lose yourself in a truly hands-on production workflow. Customize your Groovebox to your specific needs. Create your own patches, load samples, and get new sounds using the online companion software. What we like. Unleash your creativity with versatile synth and MIDI tracks. Create complex sequences with advanced features like probability and micro-timing. If you want a powerful Groovebox that lets you build intricate electronic music from the ground up, this is an excellent choice. What people say. 2 onboard synth channels that you could still mute for more external gear sequencing, for drum tracks, that not only play drum samples, but other sample types as well, and 2 MIDI control tracks dedicated to controlling external gear. Still battery powered and has 2 audio inputs. One of my favorite features is the ability to connect it to your computer and use the components, free from Novation, software to download new sound packs. This allows you to change the sound of the tracks to suit your music style and means the device does not have a fixed sound, and almost seems like a new Groovebox after you change the sound packs. The quality of this product feels premium. Look up YouTube videos and you will see just how unbelievably versatile it can be, making different electronic music genres. You can definitely design sounds on it to be sampled elsewhere. Number 3. Roland Juno-60 Lightweight Keyboard. Introducing the Roland Juno-60, a lightweight and powerful keyboard designed for the stage. It's ready to go wherever your music takes you. This instrument comes loaded with professional quality sounds, including updated pianos and organs. You'll have a vast sonic palette at your fingertips. Experience enhanced performance with its 61-note velocity-sensitive synth action keyboard. It offers a responsive and expressive playing experience. Easily expand your sound options with the wave expansion slot, allowing you to download new waveforms for free. You can also import your own wave files to play on the keyboard. Manipulate and edit sounds with ease using the hands-on knobs and sliders. Plus, trigger samples and audio songs with the 8-phrase pads for dynamic performances. Enjoy the freedom of battery-powered operation, making it perfect for any performance setting. Take your music anywhere with this versatile keyboard. What we like. This is a lightweight keyboard packed with professional sounds. Its battery-powered operation makes it perfect for gigging musicians. If you need a versatile synth for live performances or on-the-go practice, this offers great value and playability. What people say. It not only has some of the best sounds ever but to have an onboard pattern sequencer that loops and you can chain patterns together to make a complete song without the use of a computer, DAW. The best features are how the entire keyboard is laid out. It is easy to understand and navigate, and the owner's manual is pretty detailed on how to make the best use of your new toy. Sampling features are a blast and easy to use, and assign a sample to a pad or into a pattern. Number 2. Roland JU-06A Analog Synthesizer. Experience the raw power of discrete analog circuitry. Its intuitive knob-per-function interface puts total control at your fingertips. Shape your sound with 3 voltage-controlled oscillators, each offering 6 distinct waveforms. Explore a universe of sonic possibilities. Enjoy rock-solid tuning thanks to temperature-stabilized oscillators with automatic calibration. Your sound will always be precise. Sculpt your tone with a classic 24 dB low-pass filter and a dual-gain stage amplifier. Add warmth, grit, and character to your audio. Dive into complex sound design with 3 types of cross-modulation, a feedback loop, and a built-in noise generator. Unleash your creativity. Connect 2 or more units via MIDI to create a powerful polyphonic synthesizer. Layer your sounds for epic textures. Store your favorite sounds with a massive 384 preset and 128 user locations. Access your sonic palette instantly. What we like. Experience true analog sound with discrete circuitry and stable oscillators. You can even chain multiple units for polyphonic capabilities. If you're a sound designer or synth enthusiast seeking authentic analog warmth and deep sound shaping potential, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Very powerful oscillators and filter combined with loads of modulation options and a great sounding built-in delay circuit. Stellar analog sounds and sequencer. Very well made and a perfect size for my purposes. Great MIDI and CV integration. One of the smallest, most versatile, and cheapest true analog synths available. It's great for learning synthesis as it's deep, but not too overwhelming. Number 1. Roland TD-07KV Electronic V-Drums Kit. Introducing the Roland TD-07KV, a V-Drums kit that brings legendary sound and feel to your practice space. It offers superior expression and playability, making drumming at home more inspiring than ever. This kit is conveniently compact, perfect for home use, yet delivers the superior expression and playability of high-end V-drums. You get an incredible drumming experience without breaking the bank. Enjoy the satisfying feel of Roland's original ultra-quiet, double-ply mesh heads on the snare and tom pads. The large crash, ride, and dedicated kick pads provide a realistic and responsive playing experience. Go beyond acoustic limitations with deep editing tools to craft unique sounds. Explore creative opportunities with onboard Bluetooth for playing along to music and lessons, and USB connectivity for recording. With 25 preset kits, 25 user kits, and 143 instruments, you have a vast sonic palette. V-Edit, EQ, ambience, and multi-effects allow you to sculpt your perfect drum kit sounds. It features an 8-inch snare pad with independent head and rim zones for versatile sound assignments. 3 6-inch single-zone tom pads complete the setup, offering precise response. What we like. This is a compact electronic drum kit that delivers superior expression. It features quiet mesh heads and modern connectivity like Bluetooth and USB. If you're a drummer looking for a practice kit that offers great playability and advanced features for home use, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The sound quality from the drums is fantastic. Sensitivity is great, and I actually like the small, high and mid-tom sizes as it forces me to be more accurate in my drumming. The pads and cymbals are beyond sufficiently responsive for my needs. Big pros include, over 24 different kit sounds, the Bluetooth input to play along to tracks with, the metronome, and the coaching tool. Very impressed with the sound quality and programming options. Very easy to use. Triggers spot on. Great kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.